Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going! Hey everyone, and welcome to my Kill-A-Kit and layout share for scrapbookingstore.com's January 2020 kit. I am a design team member, so if you have any interest in joining the kit club or making a one-time purchase, I will put all the information in the description box below, along with my affiliate link. So if you do wish to purchase something, if you could purchase it through that link, it doesn't cost you any more money. It just gives me a little bit of a commission. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you the 5 layouts and 2 cards I made with this kit, along with the leftovers. There are not a huge amount, but there are a little bit. And the reason I like to do this is just to show you what can be done with a kit and how many layouts you can get done. Is it very usable? And I love this kit. I found it to be very useful and usable. So this kit was made up of Simple Stories Winter Farmhouse, and then the embellishment upgrade were the die cuts and the enamel dots from Winter Farmhouse, and then a small silver glitter alpha sticker from American Crafts. And I loved everything about this kit. I started off with this 1-page layout about my dog Archie. Archie's a newer addition to our house. He is my housemate's mother's dog, and she went into assisted living facility, so we took Archie in. So we weren't starting from scratch with the puppy. He is 12, I believe. So, you know, thank goodness no new puppies. They're very cute, but they're a lot of work. So I used everything is from the stash except for the sequins. I'm sorry, everything is from the kit except for the sequins, which are from my stash, and the exclamation point also from my stash. And then the silver and gold misting also from my stash. But all the papers and stickers and die cuts and all of that, and the title working comes from my kit for January. Okay, next up I did make 2 cards, and once again everything is from the kit except for the sequins. So I just put this on the backing. It's on fun foam, so I did not stick it down well, and that is just why. I was waiting to see if I had any enamel dots left over once I finished all of my layouts, and I had exactly 3, which was perfect to put on this one little hoping you're having a good winter card. So now I'm going to go ahead and send these 2 out to some friends. Next up, I have this light mixed media layout I made about Ms. Xanthi. I don't know if you can see or not. She is trying to see if there's any papers she can steal, because that's how she is. There you go. So I did do some packaging technique just to do a little bit of mixed media behind, and then the rest of everything on this, minus the small thickers, comes from the kit. There's a video for this. There's a video for everything here. This one, though, was done on my live for January 2020. So if you want to watch this video, it is done in real time in live. I do go over how I do the mixed media. So if that's something that interests you, the January live video is what you want to look for. Everything here comes from the Scrapbooking Store kit, minus the mixed media. And then these alphas did not come in this month's kit. They came in last month's kit. So, but still from Scrapbooking Store. Then I made a double page layout. So technically 6 12 by 12s were made, but this one just happens to be a double page layout. Once again, there is a video for this. I do really love how this came together. This multicolor plaid was one of my favorite pieces of paper. From my stash, I did pull in the twig colored cardstocks. And once again, I used the alpha from last month as well as the one from this month. Okay, and my final layout for this month is this one right here. My other favorite piece of paper was this very pale wood grain one, so I really wanted to get to use that. I had this photo of my nephew and a family friend, so like even though you can see they're different in ages, they grew up together, and so I just wanted to talk about playing in the snow and all of that jazz that they love to do together. And I did use quite a bit of enamel dots on this one, but I love enamel dots, so don't be surprised. All right, once again, I did pull in the alpha from last month along with the alpha from this month, but everything else on this layout does come from the kit. Okay, and now we'll talk about what I have left over. The alpha stickers that came in the embellishment upgrade, there's still quite a few, but there were 304, and I actually used them in almost every layout I made, at least for part of the words. Actually, I use them in every single layout I made. So I use these in 5 different layouts. So obviously, and there's still a ton left to be able to use. So that is awesome. I did use up all of the enamel dots. Enamel dots are one of my favorite embellishments, and usually I hoard them, but I said, look, these are meant to go with this kit. Let's just go ahead and use them. You have plenty of more enamel dots. There's no reason to save these. So I gave my permission and I did go ahead and use them. And then the die cuts, it started off with 54, and I knew I'd used a lot of die cuts just because they're super cute in this instance, and they worked really well with my layouts. So I wanted to, see what I used. There are actually only 14 left, so I used 15 left, so I used 39 die cuts, so not bad at all. I have one full sheet of paper. This is the main kit, was the collection kit along with the 12 by 12 stickers. So I have one full sheet of paper. I am still finding silver sequin stars or silver glitter stars from a layout I made a couple weeks ago for my For the Love of Homemade Kits series. Yeah, still finding random stars everywhere. So I do have quite a bit of scraps, and then one full-size sheet of paper, and then the 12 by 12. I don't have a ton here. I've got some phrase stickers, and then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Six, another star glitter. 19 of the icon stickers, and I'm not going to count the rest because that's kind of silly. It may be 20. I don't remember if I counted that one or not. Anyway, not that that matters. But I have to say, I really did kill this kit. I am very happy with the amount of product I got out of it. Like I said, 5 layouts, plus one of those was a double page, plus 2 cards. I really think I got my money's worth out of this particular kit. Obviously I'm on the design team, but I'm saying if I had paid for it, I would not be upset with the amount of layouts I got done with this kit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to everyone. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. If you have any questions regarding Scrapbooking Store or anything I said during this video, please just leave a comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. I will be back tomorrow with the unboxing of my February kit, so I am really looking forward to that. So, all right, I will say goodbye. Have a good day, night, or morning, wherever it happens to be when you're watching this.